Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then as you can see, it is a personal profile page, or as I have locked my profile. By this you can know that it is a personal or private page or private account. So I can't see the who's viewed my Facebook profile. But if I want to see that, I need to turn on the professional mode. As I have locked my account, I can't just turn on the professional mode. But if you turn on the professional mode, you'll be able to get the insights of your Facebook account, by which you can just know who viewed your Facebook profile. So yeah, this is the way you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.